In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to cancel Roblox Premium on mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to Roblox. So in my case, I have no premium, but I'm still gonna show you how to cancel it. So normally most people will just click on these three dots, go over to premium, and they won't see any button for canceling premium here. So it just says get premium, and if you scroll down, it won't give you any option of canceling premium. So the way you cancel it, you close it, and you're gonna head over to these three dots, and you're gonna go down until you see the settings option. So you're gonna click on settings. Alright, so once you're here, you see many options: account info, security, privacy, parental controls, billing, and notifications. So you'll have to head over to billing. So I'm gonna go on billing, and there you see three options. Here you're gonna see expiry date. So it might say that it's gonna expire at any date from 1 month, and then there'll be one option of clicking cancel. So you're gonna click cancel, and once you click cancel, you're gonna click on confirm, and then it's gonna cancel your subscription. But then you'll still see the expiry date. It's gonna say it's gonna expire this next month. So until that time, you'll have access to all the perks of premium. But then after that, it's not gonna auto renew, it's gonna cancel. So that's how you cancel premium on mobile. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.